Chapter 3. Drawing Shapes and Text in Pygame 0. 6. How to draw text.
How can I draw text in the window?
You can draw text in the window using the screen.draw.text method. You can define the content, the position, the color, and the font size of the text with the screen.draw.text method. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
This code draws the text in the window using the screen.draw.text method. Parameter 1 defines the content of the text. Parameter 2 defines the position of the text. Parameter 3 defines the color of the text. Parameter 4 defines the font size of the text. Let's run this code. The text "Hello World" in black letters is drawn with font size 50.